Do you want to monitor your blood pressure level? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Presenting the Niscomed Pulse Wave Stethoscope PW-15. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside you have the Pulse Wave PW-15 stethoscope along with a pair of extra buds. It is durable and comes with a soft sealing on the ear tip to make sure that you put the stethoscope in your ears the right way around. These ear tips should face the front side and not towards yourself. Otherwise you may not hear the right sound. So you have to place the diaphragm on the skin of the person and not on the clothes. For example, if you are using it on yourself, you can place it to see your pulse rate over here. To have the accurate pulse rate, you need to place it for at least a minute. With this stethoscope, you can listen to various parts of your body like your heart, stomach, etc. You can change the earbuds of your stethoscope by simply just pulling it out, replacing it because you've got some extra ones, and simply you can put it back. It's really simple.